Here we have my Alpinestars Tech 7, and the buckle broke off. And I was wondering how to do it, and after cleaning all the mud out, I realised there's an Allen key but here. Now it's a 2.5 Allen key, and you can get these from Alpinestars. I just got it from my local bike shop, and she charged me 50p. And basically it slots in there, Allen key it back on, and the boot will be fixed again. So I kept the strap, here it is. So all I needed was the back bit and 50p. So generally just undo the Allen key. Make sure you clean it out first with a screwdriver. Obviously some are riveted, but these are 2011 Tech 7s, and lucky enough you got a Allen key or Allen bolt. So we'll thread him back in here now. All fingers and thumbs. This ain't going to work because I'm holding the phone. It's going to need a bit of... He's going to be a two-hand job, I'm afraid. Oh no, he's in. And pinch him out. And just a little nick. And that's it. And then obviously these got to slot back in, and then your buckle, obviously there's the broken bit. Oh, have to snap that off. Bit that was broken off, as you can see, you can't really repair that. That's probably wouldn't all last 2 minutes. So there's the new boot clip, and just slots in there like that then, and pinch up. Job done. So there you are, Alpinestars Tech 7s, a bit mucky, I'm going to have to get them good clean, but there it is, the Alpinestars Tech 7s, and he's back to normal.